This video is going to create future millionaires because I'm going to explain what exactly you should be doing at your age, whether you are a teenager or you're in your 20s or 30s or 40s or even 50s or 60s. One thing I realized about billionaires and millionaires is that they have multiple streams of income. If this is something you're interested in, becoming financially free, keep on watching this video all the way till the end. If you're new here, by all means, please go ahead and introduce yourselves. I would like to know you and I'd like to meet you. Where in the world are you tuning in from? And if you're a returning subscriber, I want to say a big thank you. You guys are amazing. Thank you for all that you do. So while you're introducing yourselves, I will introduce myself in the course of today's video. But without further ado, let's get right into today's business, guys. Come with me. Let's go. Do you know that you can provide virtual assistants? Yes. Are you looking for how to earn money online? Virtual assistants provide administrative support to clients remotely, and it involves scheduling appointments, managing emails, conducting research. To start making money as a virtual assistant, just create profiles online on platforms, apply for virtual assistant jobs that match your skills. Moreover, it also helps you gain administrative work experience and build your resume. This is how to earn money from home for students, stay-at-home moms or dads, and it makes it accessible for anyone with strong organizational skills. Websites where you can get gigs like this are Fancy Hands, Belay.com, Time.com, Upwork.com. The skills you need are just communication skills, computer skills, and of course, multitasking skills. Something else you can do is to offer proofreading services. If you have a good command of English grammar or English language, you can earn money by becoming a proofreader. Now, the job of proofreaders is to review and correct written content, and it also involves checking for grammar, punctuation, and spelling errors. To begin with, create profiles on these platforms, apply for proofreading jobs that match your skills. It is a perfect option for anyone who wants to know how to earn money online without investments. It's also a great way to improve your own writing skills and resume. There are websites like scribendy.com, upwork.com, fiverr.com, and freelancer.com. Do you also know that if you can edit videos professionally, you can also get a job remotely? Yes, online. I currently have editors that edit my videos for me, and you know what? They do this from the comfort of their homes, virtually anywhere in the world. You just deliver on the job, and that's it. And you get paid, I tell you. So if you're interested in editing videos, you're one of those who want to know how to earn money online, this method is just for you. See, as a video editor, you create and edit videos for clients. This job involves cutting and arranging footage, adding effects, syncing audio. Freelancing websites offer video editing projects. And you can start just by creating your profile on online platforms, apply for video editing, gigs that match your skills. And it's a perfect option for anyone who even wants to improve their own editing skills and build a strong resume. This method also allows you to earn money online without any investment. It is accessible to anyone with solid video editing skills. There are websites like upwork.com, fiverr.com, freelancer.com, and you can make a ton of money every month. The skills required are video editing, knowledge of software, maybe Premiere Pro or Final Cut Pro. Another gig you can do is to become a digital marketer. Yes, digital marketing. Becoming a digital marketer might be a fantastic career choice if you're interested in digital technologies and online marketing strategies. Digital marketers actually use a variety of digital platforms like, and websites, emails, social media, search engines to advertise goods and services. If you are interested in digital marketing and communication, and you will love this position, it is a perfect option for people who want to know how to start earning money online. And there are websites like LinkedIn, Fiverr, Upwork, and you can earn thousands of dollars every single month. The skills you need to know are just digital marketing strategies, familiarity with social media platforms, SEO, content creation, and of course, analytical skills. I know this might sound funny, but do you know that you can make money babysitting? Do you know that people wonder where I earn money from as a student, guys, or even as a stay-at-home mom? For people, babysitting can be a flexible job, especially for girls. There are many platforms that want to connect busy families to babysitters online, and this job involves supervising children, preparing their meals, and helping them with their homework. Sometimes even walking dogs. Sometimes you can even babysit pets. Yes, you can babysit dogs. Yes, or cats while the owners are away. And sometimes you might even have to keep the dog with you or the pets with you while the owner travels. Maybe the owner doesn't want to fly with the dog or with the cat or with the pet. You can keep the dog with you and earn even much more money because these pet owners treat their pets like children, like human beings. They hold them in high esteem. They regard them like their own child, and they will do anything to protect these pets. They pay for their medical services every month, for their veterinary, they pay their veterinary doctors, they, perform surgeries on behalf of these pets. And even when these pets pass on, they organize funerals, they pay for, they do all sorts of things. It's so serious that they even do telepathy. When some of these, their pets have died, they look for people, online, maybe soothsayers. They believe that these soothsayers can communicate with their dead dogs or dead cats telepathically, and they charge a ton of money. People pay as much as $2,000 to help them talk to their dog that died 5 years ago. I am not kidding you. So there are many ways to make money online. If you have telepathy skills, then you can apply. I'm not asking you to do it if you know nothing about, communicating with dead animals. Some people actually like believe in it, like a religion. So please, check out all of these strategies. And like I said, millionaires actually have multiple streams of income. Honing on your skills. Yes, what is that one thing you know how to do well, or that people know you, for? People know that, oh, she loves to cook, or she loves to make videos, or she loves to dance. You can teach these skills to people online. Yes, you can. So go ahead, honing on your skills. But first, you need to develop great work ethics. I cannot overemphasize the fact that the work ethic will take you a long way on your entrepreneurial journey to becoming successful and to becoming wealthy. You need to develop great work ethic. Work, 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 and also persevere. Yes, you have to persevere and then honing on your skills. It is easier for you to do the things that you love, the things that you're not forced to do, things that you would even do on a normal day without getting paid. Let's assume that you love to play music instruments. Maybe you play music instruments in your church for free. You don't even mind doing it for free, and they want to pay you for it, thousands of dollars for it. What can be better than it's like going to play and then you're getting paid? I once met a music producer who told me, music for him is like playing, and he can't believe that people are willing to pay so much money, to him. He used to be a banker, and then he became a music producer, and he cannot even imagine how far he has come with his music. So guys, I will stop here today. If you have any question for me, let me know in the comments. If you have not introduced yourselves, yes, please go ahead and do that. Do not forget to like this video. Do want to share this video and tell a friend, tell a friend, tell a friend. And just so you know, yes, there's a giveaway. In today's video, I am giving away $100 cash gifts. All you need to do is add 50 people to my Telegram community. Add 50. Once you're sure that 50 people have joined my Telegram community, then come back to this video and then I will follow up with you on how I can transfer $100 cash gift to you. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments. I'll be more than happy to respond to you. And if you have not introduced yourself yet, my God is watching you. Introduce yourselves in the comments. And if you're seeing me for the first time, my name is Miriam. I'm based here in California. I'm a wife, a mom, a student, an entrepreneur. I'm also a fashion designer. And on this channel, I share 3 videos every week, Mondays, Wednesdays, and Fridays. So guys, till I see you in my next video, make sure that you turn on the notification bell after subscribing to my channel so that you don't miss out on my next video. Till I see you guys in my next video, let me go and start making money.